Lena kuzoba ingqungquthela yokuqala yokuqoka ubuholi eqenjini elibusayo ukusukela ngo-2017. Lesifundazwe sagcina ukuba nengqungquthela yokuqoka ubuholi ngo-2015 ngenkathi iphini likaMengameli wezwe uDavid Mabuza eqokelwa kwesokuba ngusihlalo weqembu esifundazweni. Ukusuka lapho iqembu lehluleka ukuhlanganisa ingqungquthela yokuqoka abaholi. Njengoba sekusele izinsuku ezimbalwa kuyiwe engqungqutheleni, imfandu yoqhekeko isobala eqenjini elibusayo. Ilungu eliqavile ku-ANC uPeter Nyoni lithi kuyishwa ukuthi ikomiti elibhekele ukusebenza kwansuku zonke lihlakaze ikomiti lesifundazwe kodwa labuyisa abantu ababodwa.
We want to say we are going back to court, we are going to interdict this conference. This conference is not in the best interest of the ANC. It is in their own best interest, because you would also understand and appreciate that what manifests at the province is what is happening at the national level. We know that this is an attempt by the NWC to serve their own needs using eMpumalanga.
Wengeze ngokuthi ingqinamba ezikhona ku-ANC eMpumalanga ngeke ixazululeke kalula ngenxa yoqhekeko olukhona.
You have two groupings, which is the focus grouping and the Ngqi grouping. So you can more or less see the end from the beginning to say if within one structure you have two groupings, very strong groupings opposing each other, that tells you that that structure cannot actually champion the mandate and the vision of taking eMpumalanga forward.
Ilungu lethimba lesikhashana ku-ANC esifundazweni ulindiwe njalo wagxekile amalungu eqembu ahlasela iqembu esidlangalaleni.
There are disgruntled people like uPeter Nyoni who will go out on the media and insult this PSC. And we must put it on record that you see, you cannot want to lead when you are defeated in your own branch.
Akukacacike ukuthi ingabe izohlala yini ingqungquthela yokuqoka ubuholi esifundazweni. Umengameli weANC uCyril Ramaphosa usesifundazweni uzobheka ukuthi ahamba kanjani amalungiselelo alengqungquthela.